are just controlling the sockets of the desert. In an instant, it was 10 meters away. But this is a desolate desert. So why is there such a thing? As everyone knows, it is the demon of the girl on the mountain. Wait for him to call a family. All the tools on the blacksmith. It's obsessive. It's uncontrollable. Move in the direction of the man. The blacksmith also died because of this. If it weren't for Abdul, and Abdul, catch the beard. The man is designated to explain today. And when he arrives, it gets even weirder. The stool of the traveler seems to be possessed by evil. Where do men go? And the chairs are automatically moving towards him. But he was aware of the seriousness of the matter. Just leave the chair in the room, and it's done. There's a little fairy walking in front of you. The magic on the man instantly flips her skirt. Ah! However, the wave did not end. Another wave. Wonderful girl who walks with noodles. The skirt was lifted by his magic again. Okay. The girl is seduced by the man. Immediately send your own kiss. Oh my god. Yeah, Nani Kokazi. Yeah, Kuro, wow. Sage Day. Ah, what's no good at them all? This should not taint the gang. A series of men understand, since the last control socket, your own body has become a magnet, and as you go along, the more magnetic he becomes. Here it is. His arm is attached to the staircase again. The man finally pulled his arm out, and I think about the girl in front of me. The product was sold to him again. In an instant, the man is fixed on the ladder. Then go down. He must die, and he begged the girl to pull the ladder down herself. The girl didn't do it. She was in the desert, the girl with the socket. He was one of the founders of the DPI, Raya, and once you get caught in her magnetic force, it will never be solved. Soon, the man's hands were strangled with blood. He was thrown into the staircase immediately. If a man shows purple color, press the stop ladder. However, due to the inconvenience, he can't even feel it. Just as he was saying that, Abdul and the Exodus. Of course, it is the second of 100. They were made to look like 3 children before they died. He got up and he instantly hit himself. Tell Abud about the curse. And he saw the girl who had put the spell on her. Eyes can be seen running away, and they caught up with him. Unexpectedly, the magnetic force of the same wave is instantaneous. Muse like sucking down, and the servant of Abdullah stood before him. And that's the way for the girl to escape. Waiting for someone to chase you. He had already gone to the girl's house. This is a big man who committed an instant crime, but he sacrificed his own life. The second one had to be hard on the skin. But they were dumbfounded again. There's a woman in every hole. So here's the next thing you know. And he's wearing these legs. You just have to lean down and look at the legs. Save my brother. Abud can only do it once. Bang!